And today the main focus that we have is on the automotive sector and more broadly everything that has to do with car and vehicles, EVs and batteries. And we had the chance to meet with a lot of industrial players in Xiamen, and that's why we decided to set up shop here to facilitate the exchange between France, Europe and China through the city of Xiamen, thanks to the free trade zone people working with us. Yes, we are very confident in Chinese market and its capacity to work with Europe and France in particular. I think France and China has been very close for a very long time, and it's not going to change, and I think it's going to get stronger in the near future.
China has always been a very important footprint for us. Right, we have a lot of important customers in China, and therefore, China will continue to be our focus. Our directions, as far as our China operations is concerned, has been always in China for China. The Xiamen Free Trade Zone has been very helpful and also very business friendly. They've been very flexible in terms of supporting our business needs, very collaborative.